Obatobie sending a message.
Is it?
Obatobie sending a message. And I deliver the message. Obatobie sending. That's all. Side using them no direct to no direct. One thing take it back. You go na money all hello.
It really happened. We all know about the story of Adadarama and Dr. Ngozi Rabweze, Biafra Public Government in exile, and USB. Today, Adadarama came and said the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa sent a message to her that she should deliver to the Biafra people. What was the content of the message? She said, Simon Ekpa said, everybody should be under Mr. Ogekere. That is the acting Prime Minister of Biafra Public Government in exile. He said all the media team should stop the attack. That everybody should go back to join Mr. Ogekere. See, let it not be that it's me that is saying it. I want to leave you and listen to what she said, and I'll be right back.
Oh, Osilaka somebody was here.
Osinaka somebody was here.
Okay, or direct.
Yes.
Okay. But every obo that la onwike on direct. Kerife menono obo Dr. Ngozi Rabweze direct discourse where with her.
Nabai Obatobie sending a message.
Is it?
Obatobie sending a message. And I deliver the message. Obatobie sending. That's all. Side using them no direct to no direct. One thing take it back. You go na money all hello. O send him a message. Mo deliver the message. That's all. O send him message. Then that message I will send him can deliver the message or send them. That's all. And then why you not great and send him deliver a message. Yes, no, don't do.
I will also is
my surrogate.
Okay, let me answer you this question. Yes, Otasi, I'm in a meeting. Nihu everybody that's never Batobia Pulu.
Okay. Then my second question is about protect the mandate of my structure.
Protect the mandate.
A lawyer na phone call. Yeah, obeys you for us.
Okay, lawyer, na mazan kemama. Anormal way, can now was solo gate here with a Mwa Kulu.
Okay. Then the question was on to this message in a deliver. Emanandi Buan is now in hand of Lante Bass. Came from Nanya Bezioku. You will play this voice note right now, Kaini. Happy John Gakover, her garden's no league. Play the voice note, Mobia from the voice note.
Oh, I believe, I believe, when I talk on he believe, Obatobia will come out. Oh, I just say, no one and Bogwa, I don't know if I do to her, go and Bogwa, if I do to her. That's all. Onyane Koku Yang
that is a good one from you. Thank you. Let's okay. My last question I was on to job. Now, but in the GOS were travel for number 2 be na Mazan cannot say that nobody should attack Simon or T on me. But I had the message yan over to be on Thru and Thru like Eziola through our the same our head red. None the canons do not that he forbid anybody to attack Simon and I shall approve.
I shall approve.
Why nature her man the canna without repeat what the message here? Oh, you brought this voice note to negate your remove Biafra right now.
I'm going to no voice note case and dealing. Did I tell you no voice note?
Because only AI. I'm coming.
AI. Onye na-asị na egwu na-agwara onye gwara na-asị no I am okunu anwere onye ngwara onye ngwara nna chere ka ngwa gị enye mmeji emo ife nna emo ife nchọrọ nne m
do you think not possible to mix information about Obi or when it possible mmadụ inye ya fake information ebe ahụ ọ nọ?
Ọ dị possible.
Ọ dị possible.
Ọ dị possible mmadụ inye information ya.
Gbagba m ha echere ebe gbachazie m ka ngwa gị last nchọrọ.
Ọ last na ahụ ịchọrọ ikwu because I told me as a phone the only thing I deliver got the message in deliver. Onye ọsọ ya believe onye ife nkwulu ọ bata obi anwụ. That's all.
Last thing I chọrọ ikwu bụ na Dr. Damage program ka ọ bata obi ya gwara anyị na ọ bụrụ na area declare Biafra.
Ezim yesterday. But if I was in me one because na ana m agbakọ ya okwu. But if I was in me one that na. Even ji na asị chere because iwu na yes. If just iwu na mezie. Come on if I was in me one that na. If there's na WhatsApp group because how many days Mozia? Because of one and send it, one cloak about when we come anything. I just now losing na Namua, don't even take it. No, let me choose next nation. I am a voice of Batopia. Yes, I even it's okay. I'm going to the voice in Kenya.
Como caption on I say Obatobie Nandi Finland na Jumo I ko me say me I think pay attention na
so nne ngwa chere ka ngwa gị Obatobie ekwubugie nke ya nke m na-ekwukwe awakwa the same message ka nsị gị onwelo gekwe m ntị nke anyị nwa ichi ha azụ Obatobie ekwubugie ọwụlọ mbụ mụnwa na onwe m mgbe ọ kwuru ihe nna asị na mụnwa ya echi ha azụ Obatobie ewepụta yes nsị gị okwu a nagide ekwu na ana m agwa gị ya na nzuzo adị m agwa gị ya na nzuzo mana mụnwa na-ekwusị ajụjụ anyị na-ajụ m nne m ajụjụ anyị na-ajụ m ọgwụgwọ m ike mụnwa ziri ozi just ime ife me because amara m ife ị na-achọzi m because ihe eme m ekwuo m ịbịa achọzi m ka ị jụọ m ajụjụ eke eziri m ozi ịmara ife uche gị ka anyị hapụ biko ozi eziri m ka nzi and onye ọnwụ na ya ka nsị gị na message even esendigola chelekwe for this message number one ka anyị gwa onwe anyị eziokwu this message ya kịta nke nne ọnwakwa ndị message nke anyị ziri ebe ahụ ya put m okwu n'ọnụ nke anyị nwee follow back nke follow back ahụ mgbe eziri ozi a ezie n'ihe onye iru zie ya onye azụ anyị mee peace ekwugwu anyị follow back
so anyị zawa Biafra gọọmenti na-eza na-arụ ha na-arụ
agwana gị ibe ngwa ibe ahụ ibe okwu
yes
fall back also let everybody fall back na government in exile ibe ahụ ibe okwu na aka nsikwu metieti mewepụ onye ọsọ ya chi ha onwe onye na-agwa ibe m bụ n'obi ibe m na-eme ọkụ ya ọtara mgbe ama nwa ya take my own decision onye ọnwụ na take a decision ya that's all
you go opposition on here where for that for the first time until I know from our DPM. So any decision on your gonna take it inside this message also, you will also take part of the blame.
Why meji? Onye na-blame mu. Nne mu. Onye na-blame mu. Nne mu. Onye na-blame mu blame mu.
Taking this decision based on Otti Agadiora Mazi. That is how it works.
In an even now, no, and when you keep what you have flavor by Anno, I don't go that and one of a young man, and one name I can take it another call. Always, hello. Only was on Muddy that day, even also on Muddy Yaku. But only eventually. Ozi as music can see.
Hello.
Ndewo.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, ndewo.
Chime.
Chim no n'ọrụ.
Wow, because it all the people. It's all night ozi.
Onye ziri m ozi zie ọbata obi eziri m ozi. Ekwenụ ntị ka nzikwa ozi oziri. Onye ọwụ na kọpị ozi ọbata obi eziri m zie. Ọ sị m gwa the whole social media. Onye ọwụ na na-ekwu maka Biafra. Ba kwụsị ime attack ndị na-alụlụ Biafra ọrụ na Washington DC. Iwere ntị gị mere oche na Elias na ndị otie otu a ka o si kwu ya. Then Osi, everybody should fall back na government in exile.
Yeah.
Na ya na-akwa asọ afọ ọsọ mmadụ na ọwụzikwe na ya ekwe ha. Emazie na ọ Biafra ka anyị na-azọ. Mana anyị kwụsị ịma ya mma n'azụ. Anyị kwụsị ịma ya mma n'azụ. Na ya eche anyị na-eche na ya apụta. Na ya ochere na ya apụta. Iba ona o si gwa m ya. O si ona ka si zie. Be ayo 5 minutes so ọwụrụ na ya achọghị ichi azụ mana ya na ayọ biko se mezide ndụ na-alụ Biafra alụ attack. Ona obi ahụ gwara kịta ka ọ gwara m ọgwụ. And the more deliver the message.
Ada ndị mbụ na ndị ngede asị na nkwuwe masị gị ị kaara ikwu okwu ugbu a ozi ya esi na oziri gị kaara ikwu ya ugbu a bikọs ị maara anyị na-eme olee otu anyị ji declare ihe Biafra na 29 abịasị anyị ezi ego ugbu a na anyị laghachikwa na biri onwe otu okwu adị ma akpa na akpara awa ha mere gị ihe ahụ akpara awa ha chọrọ iweda gị ala
nne m
ọmụ a gwara gị ya
nne m
Simon ịgba ka ga-afta ka ịma na
onye na ka nna agwa gị sị gị na ọwụzie na ọ pụta ka nna asị gị okwukwe esi anyị oche na ya hapụta ọwụzie na ọ pụtazie si na ntụrụ asị anyị abụkwazie ọwụ onye ndụ and onye apụta and okwu kwuru na social media.
Anụrụ m okwu a taa si na o nwere ndị gwatụrụ ya bikọs onwe otu ị ga-esi buru ya n'obi mmadụ n'obi anwe ndị kwuru nsị na o nwere ndị gị gwatụrụ onye menụ ndị ahụ ji kwuo ya n'ụbọchị taa gere m ya mgbe ka a sị na m matara a ga m ịkpọ gị na-enye sị gị biko
nne m mekpọrọ m ozi eziri m ka nziri onye ọsọrọ onye si họta ya onwere ka ya esi zie m ozi onwere ka ya esi zie m ozi onwere ka ya esi zie m ozi
oge ndị lọya nọ na-agharị n'ebe Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ebe Simon Ekpa si n'otu as far as nna ikwu nọ n'ime na ha ga-ewekwa okwu ọbụla o kwuru na-abụghị mgbe ọ fụtara
ngwa ka njụrụ gị kedu reason na o ji wee kwuo ya
ihe o ji kwuo ya ịma na otu ọ nọ n'ime like nwunye
kedu n'ime echere n'ime ebee ka ọ nọ iji Nigeria wee na compare Finland ebe na-achọ ịgwa m
nwunye ya oge nkere ha kpọrọ ya nwunye ya si na onwe onye ọbụla nwere ike
yanụ ka m na-agwa gị sị yanụ ka m na-agwa gị sị gị nne m okwefo ibu ezigbo m ozi eziri m ọ dụrụ m isi mana m edelive ya onye ọsọ ya welie onye ọsọ ya welie na nziri ozi eziri enye eme m nwụla enemy of Biafra because na ọnwụ na ntinyere etinye
anyị bụkwanụ ndị Biafra anya ga-ekwenyekwu n'ozi ka o wee oge nkere ha
onye ekwenyelu nne ema ife nna ayọ gekwentị ka anyị nne m gekwentị ka anyị yọ ngwa gị ọ sị onwekwa mgbe ọ sịkwa m so nọ by force ma ọ sị na ọ wụrụgodu na ụnụ achọghị ichi ha ma omenwa ka ọ na-agwa na ọ wụrụgodu na anyị achọghị ichi ha anyị emezi na attack ndụ na-alụrụ Biafra n'ọlụ onye aka o si zie ndị onye aka m si zie ya anyị emezi na attack so mụnwa onwe ka ya esi no nne m onwere ka ya esi zie m ozi onwere nne m ọkwichi m isi na ị na-agwazi m that n'ezi m.
So, my beautiful family, I will be bringing the clip bit by bit so that you will also listen to what she said. But the thing is, Hope she will not come back again to also apologize again. That is the only problem. You know, something like this happened before. She said a lot of things and she reversed back and said she's very sorry that everything is not the way she was saying it. Hopefully this time around will not be the same like what has happened before. So my beautiful family, what is your take on what has happened and what you have heard from her? Please drop your opinion in the comment section and do well to share this video and let it go viral. Thank you very much, and I will keep you updated about every latest happening. I will carry you along through this journey. Thank you so much and bye for now.
If they can follow suit, follow the footstep of this man, at least make a statement. Acknowledge Biafra. Say something about Biafra. For once. Even some of them today, they don't want to, when you ask them about Biafra, they say there's nothing like Biafra.
Unless Otti, the governor of Hapybday State, don't talk him. He has accepted Biafra. He said Biafra is not only about Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Biafra is for all. Biafra is for all. Oh, he don't talk him. Oh. He said Biafra now for everybody. Now for all the Igbo people who believe in Biafra. He talk him. No me talk him. Now unless Otti, the governor of Hapybday State, don't finally accept Biafra. My brother, this one a good thing. Oh. This is what we are talking about. More of them will start coming out to accept Biafra freedom and to acknowledge Biafra as a nation.
This is a very good thing. Hapybday State Governor Dr. Otti has stated that the agitation for the sovereign states of Biafra extend beyond Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. He made this statement at the International Conference Center, ICC, in Umuahia during the 70th birthday celebration of the Senator Hapybday in Yinaya. Otti emphasized that the Biafran struggle today is rooted in the quest for Ndi Igbo to gain recognition and equal opportunities in Nigeria. This is what we have been, our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has been crying for, requesting for. The thing is this, some of these governors or leaders in Southeast today, they know all these things. Even though some of them are pretending, denying their Biafra rights and all that. But they know the truth. So, I mean, for the governor of Hapybday State to come out openly to admit, to accept Biafra, to at least to say Biafra is, yes, is existing or has existed, it's a very big thing. I know right now Nigerian government will be like kind of like why this guy is talking about, because to discuss about Biafra in Nigeria is like a taboo. It's a crime. It's a big thing that the Nigerian government don't want to hear. Now it's coming from a governor, a sitting governor, currently in Southeast today, Hapybday State governor, coming out to admit Biafra, to talk about Biafra, to talk about the marginalization Igbos are facing today in Nigeria. It's something very huge. Like I said, some of these politicians, efulefu, they know the truth, but they are hiding it. They don't want to come out to admit it. If all these leaders today in Southeast will come out together and make a statement like this and accept Biafra, Nigeria government will now sit up and know that, oh, this thing, daughter don't pass Gary. At least some of these politicians that have been keeping quiet, they are coming out now to talk about Biafra. The Nigerian government will do something. But the thing is this, they are scared to come out to mention or to talk about Biafra. For them not being arrested or the money allocation they are getting from the federal government, will stop. Because of their gain. That's why some of them today are pretending, are covering everything, are not saying anything about Biafra and what Igbo people are facing today. All of them, they know the truth. But they don't want to accept it. They don't want to come out to admit, to open up, to talk about Biafra. To say, yes, Biafra is a state or a country or supposed to be a state. But they don't want to do that for the fear of being arrested or being called bad name from the Nigerian government, all that kind of thing. So, unless Otti, the governor of Abia State, coming out openly making this statement is a very big, good thing, achievement for Biafrans and for Igbo people today. So, I mean, this is something that will really, really, go a long way in our struggle. And also the way the Nigeria government or Nigerian people see in Biafra today. At least one of their leader, a governor, sitting governor, has come out to, talk about Biafra, discuss about Biafra, say something about Biafra. The Nigerian government will know that now this this is getting serious. So other Igbo elites, politicians, if they can follow suit, follow the footstep of this man, at least make a statement, acknowledge Biafra, say something about Biafra. For once, even some of them today, they don't want to. When you ask them about Biafra, they say there's nothing like Biafra. Biafra is dead. There's nothing like Biafra anymore. Biafra is gone. Like Peter Obi, former governor of Ebonyi State. What's his name? That useless man. What's his name? I don't forget his name. And Hope Uzodimma them. So many of them today that have denied Biafra. They don't want to talk about Biafra. They don't want to say anything about Biafra. They have denied Biafra. So for a governor, a sitting governor, at this moment in time in Biafra land to talk about Biafra is very, very good. He noted that the agitation resonates deeply within the average Igbo person, saying the Biafran fight is not about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's not about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It has gone beyond Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's bigger. If you read the book we unveiled today, you will understand what the struggle is truly about. What the struggle is truly about. The Biafra of old cannot happen anymore, but the Biafra of the mind. We want to be equal citizens. We want to be treated alike. That is a challenge to Senator Akpabio. So what we just demand is equal opportunity. That is all. Also speaking, the Abia State Governor, Dr. Otti, while congratulating Senator Enyine Abaribe on the milestones achieved, thank God for his life and describe him as a man of courage, fearless, and one who is worth being celebrated. So, I mean, this is very, very good. Like I said, this kind of thing is something that we Biafrans want to hear from so-called leaders, some of the people that we look up to, even though we don't recognize them. Some of us don't recognize them as our leaders, but even if some people recognize them as their leader, but for them coming out openly, admitting, acknowledging, saying, at least talking about Biafra. Because like I said, Biafra discussion, anything Biafra, is banned, in Nigeria. And for a politician, a governor, to talk about it, that's a very big thing. So, I mean, at least, like I said, and like women say, our leader always say as well, that when these politicians come out to say something good, we admit them and we acknowledge them And we commend their effort, at least their courage to come out to speak about Biafra. So kudos to him, at least for saying or talking about Biafra.
Understand, but I really understand that Biafra government is doing something. Biafra, United States of Biafra is doing something. And if they are not doing anything, that is to say we are not ready to go. Because we must do something now that we call attention of Trump. If really we really want to go, we must do what we call the attention of Trump.